Timber HP insulation is crafted from wood fibers and stands strong against moisture, mold, and rot. It can endure 2 hours of direct fire contact thanks to the addition of borate, a common chemical found in various products, from detergents to hygiene products. The insulation is eco-friendly, made from wood chips and recycled materials from sawmills. Notably, Timber HP actively captures and stores CO2 throughout its lifespan, resulting in a negative carbon footprint of -9 kilograms per 18.5 square meters. It's no wonder the company's thriving. They've even acquired a paper mill, transforming it into a production hub for this remarkable insulation.